Hello, Knights of North Castle. It's Mr. Steve and Miss Lisa back again for Science Day 3. Our science project today is making a marble run.
So in your VBS bag, you need to take out your Science Day 3 bag like this. You'll also need your scissors, your tape, and your crayons or your markers. So get all of your materials and lay them out in the spot so we can get ready to work.
Today you heard the story of Mary and Joseph taking a long journey from Judea to Bethlehem. We are going to make a marble run. It's a little handheld game that takes a marble on a journey from one point through several obstacles to a finishing point. Just as Mary and Joseph had to travel along a certain route to get to where they were going, our marbles will have to follow a certain path.
All right, guys, let's make our marble run. Get your bag and take out your plate, your sheet of paper. Leave your marble in the bag for now so it'll be easier to find later. You also want to take out your scissors, your crayons or markers, and your tape. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is turn our paper up so that the short side is on top. And we want to cut a strip of paper from one side to the other, like this. Be about that wide, maybe 2 fingers wide. Let's do it again. Same thing, another strip of paper. And you could do one more if you want to. Now you want to take your strip of paper, fold it in half, and make a crease like this. Now open it back up and cut the crease so that you're cutting the paper in half. So now you're going to have 2 pieces of paper. And you'll do that for all of the strips of paper that you have. Fold them in half and cut them on the crease. So now you have 2 strips of paper. Okay, so Mary took a journey from Judea to Bethlehem. So we're going to have our marble maze take Mary, or marble Mary, from Judea to Bethlehem. So let's take out a crayon and let's write a J on one strip of paper and a B on the other strip of paper. And these will be your beginning and your ending tunnels on your marble maze. So I'm going to show you how to do one, and then you can work on the others while you're watching the video. You want to fold down a little flap of paper like this on your J, put it on your plate. Then you're going to take a piece of tape, about that big, and tape one side down so it looks like this. Now you're going to make a tunnel with your sheet of paper. So you're going to fold it up so it looks like this, a little tunnel, and you're going to take the other side down. Like that. So now you have a tunnel to start your marble maze. You're going to continue to do this with all of your sheets of paper going around the plate. And remember, Mary's going to start at the J and she's going to end at the B. So I'm going to continue to work on this while Mr. Steve explains what's going on behind this science project.
So the marble run is based on a simple machine called an inclined plane. We know that the marble, when it's on a flat surface, doesn't move. There's forces of gravity pulling the marble down towards the ground, but it doesn't move if it's level. But when we put it on an incline like this, the marble wants to go closer to the ground, so it will move along this plane. The fancy formula for this is F(gx) equals mg times sine theta. So you can use that formula if you want to see how the gravity works for the marble run.
Okay guys, your marble run should look something like this now, with a J for the beginning and a B for the end. And this is going to be our Mary marble. Mr. Steve, do you think you can take Mary from Judea to Bethlehem?
I can try. You can take turns trying the marble run with other people in your house. So I'm going to start with J. And wow, this is hard.
It is hard. Wow, good. You got it.
Wow.
He got it through 2 tunnels. Good.
There
Oh, you did it. Good job.
All right, here I go. go. Start with J. Through that tunnel. Oh. Through that tunnel. Through. Oh! Did it.
Okay, guys, marble runs are not all that dangerous, but try not to swallow any marbles or any other non-food objects.
We built a giant marble run here, and you can do something like this at home if you want, and you can get creative with straws, or we put some magnets on here and kind of a large scale. We're going to play this with a two-person game, so we're going to try to do this together.
All right, here we go. We're starting out at Judea. Yay, she made it!
All the way to Bethlehem.
That was so cool. Okay, guys, let's see if Mary can make it from Judea to Bethlehem.
Whoa.
Ooh. Come on, Mary.
Whoa.
There she goes. Come on. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag.